At Sunrise Orchard, we harvest nature's bounty. Fruit waste becomes a sustainable fashion material. Through innovative processing, we create an eco-friendly leather alternative. This is how we craft a greener future.
Selective harvesting ensures only the best fruit is gathered. Peels are collected and processed into a continuous sheet. This material is transformed into flexible leather-like sheets, a sustainable alternative for the fashion industry. Apple peels, a common fruit waste, are collected in crates. The peels are processed into a thick, pliable paste. The paste is dried into a flexible leather-like sheet. This sustainable material is ready for fashion applications.
Careful with the edges. Got it. Lifting now. Steady. To the pallet jack. Ready. Moving to the bay.
From waste to wonder, apple peels become leather.
It's durable, flexible, and ready for the road.
Proven on the road, a sustainable future. A truck arrives, carrying apple peels, a fruit waste turned resource. At the dock, a forklift unloads crates for processing. Inside, peels spill onto the conveyor, the first step in creating sustainable fashion.
Let's get these apples moving. Got it? On the belt. Look at all that. Perfect for the process. Waste not, want not.
The peel collection system gathers apple waste, a key step in transforming fruit scraps into fashion. Blended into a pulp, the mixture of sustainable material offers an inviewable leather-like design.
We start by collecting apple peels from the juicing line. They move on this belt to the initial processing hopper. This prepares them for the next step, dehydration. Okay, loading the apple peels into the mixing tank now. The peels are breaking down into a uniform slurry.
This is the binder injection system, where apple peel waste is transformed into a sustainable leather alternative. The nozzle precisely applies a binder, creating a flexible, durable material. This innovation turns fruit waste into a valuable resource for fashion. Apple peel waste is processed into a thin, pliable pulp. The pulp is formed into leather-like sheets, which move along this conveyor. Here, the alignment mechanism precisely spaces the sheets for the next stage. Apple peels, a common fruit waste, are spread on a tray. Controlled heat activates the material, transforming its texture. The flexible leather-like sheet, a sustainable innovation from waste. Transforming apple waste into sustainable fashion starts here. Roller calendaring ensures a uniform, pliable texture. Laser sensors provide real-time precision and thickness calibration, a new standard for eco-leather. Fruit waste is transformed through pressing and drying. A controlled unwind reveals the leather-like material. This innovation turns waste into a sustainable fashion material. Apple peel leather is lifted, ready for processing. A fine mist is applied to rehydrate the surface. Smoothing the material enhances its pliability and finish. A sustainable innovation from fruit waste. Apple peels, often discarded, are transformed into a versatile leather alternative. After pressing, the sheet is precisely trimmed. This process showcases sustainable innovation from waste to material. Apple peels, a food waste, are transformed into a sustainable material. Blending creates a pulp, reinforced with natural fibers for strength. The mixture is dried, forming a flexible, leather-like sheet. Fruit waste becomes sustainable fashion through innovative processing. A hydraulic press bonds the peels into a durable leather alternative. The result is a versatile, eco-friendly material for the fashion industry. Apple peels, a common food waste, are transformed into a sustainable leather alternative through innovative processing. The material is precisely calibrated to fashion industry specifications, ensuring quality and reducing environmental impact. Here, apple peels are transformed into sustainable leather. After chemical treatment, the peels are mixed and pressed into flexible sheets. The final product is stored in the preservation wing, ready for fashion. A natural stabilizer is applied to the apple peel mixture, enhancing its durability. The treated mixture is placed on a rack to dry and result as a strong, pliable sheet, ideal for sustainable fashion. From waste to wonder, apple peels become sustainable fashion. In the hall, automation and workers transform waste into eco-friendly leather. The final step, packaging for the world of sustainable design. transforming fruit waste into sustainable fashion. Apple peels become flexible, leather-like sheets. These sheets are then packaged and wrapped, a new wave of eco-friendly design. Apple peels, a juice production waste, are transformed into sustainable leather. The peels are processed into flexible, leather-like sheets. The sheets are stacked into pallets, ready for eco-fashion, from waste to high-value material.
First, fresh apple peels are sliced and layered. The peels are arranged on racks to dry. The dried sheets are packed into crates. Finally, stored in a warehouse for use.
Transforming fruit waste into sustainable fashion starts here. The peels are processed into a leather-like material. At the loading dock, the finished product is prepared for shipment.
This batch is ready to go.
Fruit peels are processed into a leather alternative. The sheets are dried and prepared for shipment. The finished material is loaded for delivery, reducing waste and creating sustainable fashion.
Transforming waste into sustainable fashion. Apple peels become a versatile leather alternative, a durable, flexible material for eco-design. This innovation drives a circular economy, shaping a greener future.